Do you want to learn bookkeeping to get a job or progress in your existing job? Or do you want to learn bookkeeping to manage your own small business finances? Or you might be a student and want to learn manual bookkeeping and understand the core concepts. Then this course is for you. Hi, my name is Jafar Iqbal and I'm a chartered accountant with 20 years experience in industry and practice. See, I've designed this course keeping absolute beginners in mind and encourage students to learn manual bookkeeping step by step. Even if you are using accounting software such as QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, and many more, you will benefit from this course. So let's see what we're going to cover in more details. First of all, we'll start off with overview of bookkeeping, which is a separate lesson. Then we'll move on to big T accounts. I'll explain all the debits and credits, all the T accounts to you, what goes in profit and loss account, what goes in balance sheet, etc., and what all these items are. Then we move on to primary day books. First one is a purchase day book, and at this stage I'll ask you to download the relevant resources and follow along with me. We'll type all the numbers in, then we will analyze it on this side, also do a journal and post it into the relevant ledgers. Okay, then we move on to the purchase returns day book. When we return our purchases, I will show you where to put them in this day book. Okay, then we're going to go on to purchase ledger, and where I'll show you how to maintain all the purchase ledger for every individual supplier, etc. And then we're going to balance it. Move on to sales day book, any of the sales, how we're going to handle the sales transactions and how to put them into the day book. Also, we'll do a journal and post it into the relevant ledgers. Then any sales returns from customers, I'll show you how to handle them and how to put them in sales returns day book, do a journal and put them into sales ledger and nominal ledger, etc. We're going on to move on to sales ledger then, and I will show you how the sales ledger is formed and how to balance the sales ledger. Then we're going to move on to nominal ledger. Okay, I'll explain what all those accounts are, what's the purpose of nominal ledger and how we balance it, etc. Do the cash book payments. For all the payments that's made from the business, we're going to analyze it into the cash book payments day book, and we're going to do a journal and put them into the all relevant accounts. Okay, equally cash receipts, any money the business receives, I'll show you how to put them in the day books and also to analyze it into different accounts in nominal ledger and sales ledger. Then we're going on to do the bank reconciliation. I'll show you what bank reconciliation is, how you create a bank reconciliation, how you reconcile the bank with cash book, and what are the unpresented items and how to handle them. All right. Then we're going to do petty cash book. Any money that's spent from the business for petty cash, I'm going to show you how to put it into petty cash book and how to analyze it and how to create a journal and where to post this journal, etc. We'll also discuss the float system and impress system, and I'll show you how to balance the petty cash tin. Then we will move on to month-end journals, where I've laid out commonly used journals in accountancy environment. The closing stock, depreciation, accruals, prepayments, provision for doubtful debts and capital, etc. I'll explain all these concepts to you as we go along and also show you how to put the debits and credits and where they should go. Okay. Once we've done the month-end journals, we're going to close our nominal ledger off and post all the entries into trial balance and into the trial balance, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Along the way, I'll explain all the core concepts to you as we go along. Once the trial balance is balanced, we're going to move on to profit and loss account, and I'll show you how to put all these figures into profit and loss account, and I'll also show you the purpose behind certain things we do and why we do it and the purpose of profit and loss account. Once we've done the profit and loss account, and in this case we have a profit, we're going to do a balance sheet and type all the numbers into balance sheet, and I will also explain these concepts to you as we go along. Okay, and once you put all these numbers in, you will balance, and that's the purpose of balance sheet. So once we've done that, I will move on to, in a bonus section, create a VAT return and show you how the VAT return is completed, the purpose behind it, and how we do it in a bonus section. See, so I've laid out this course in step-by-step fashion, and I have a lecture for each of these tabs, and the resources, purchase invoices, sales invoices, bank statements, petty cash book, etc., etc. In some cases you will have more than one lecture. Where the lecture is long, I've divided it into 2 or 3 sections just for convenience purposes. So aim of this course is to encourage students and to be able to enable them to create a profit and loss account, a balance sheet, and a UK VAT return. I've created this course in everyday language, as you've seen, step-by-step fashion, so that you follow along with me with all your resources downloaded from the system and get all the way from daybooks to profit and loss, balance sheet, and also create a VAT return. I've provided you all the templates. I've got a blank template for you, which you download and follow along with me. In the resource file, I've also given you the purchase invoices, I've also given you sales invoices, I've also given you bank statements, purchase credit notes, sales credit notes, and also petty cash vouchers. I've also provided a master template, which is a complete solution at the end, so you can refer back to if anything you want to look into. Aim of this course is to encourage you to learn manual bookkeeping and understand the core concepts. I'm available to answer all your questions, discussions, and feedbacks you may have. By the end of this course, what I promise you is you will be able to create your own profit and loss, a balance sheet, and a UK VAT return. So with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. So give it a try. You will also get a certificate of completion at the end. So give it a try, enroll now, and I will see you on the other side.